Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Grayson Thinks. I am Grayson, and today we have a special guest, my mom. Today we will be doing an experiment on whether dogs' mouths are truly cleaner than parents' and kids' mouths. Specifically.
All right. For this experiment, we have decided to use the scientific method. Our question is, are dogs' mouths really cleaner than humans' mouths? Our hypothesis is, okay. Our hypothesis is,
I think personally, my humans' mouths are cleaner than dogs' mouths.
excellent. For this, we are going to use cotton swabs, and we're going to use Petri dishes with agar, and we are going to swab all of our mouths, my mouth, Grayson's mouth, his little brother's mouth, his father's mouth, and we'll also swab our dog Daisy's mouth. We will let these cultures grow for 7 days, and then at the end, we will evaluate which cultures have the most bacteria.
Wait, before we do anything else, what do you think? What is your hypothesis?
Oh, I agree with you. I think that the dogs' mouths are not as clean as humans.
Phew!
So this is going to be day 1, and we will come back in 7 days and look at these cultures.
It'll be quick. All right, so let's start doing it. Can I go first?
Yes. Do you want me to swab your mouth, or do you want to do it yourself?
I'll do it myself.
Okay. If I can open it. Oh, there's 2 swabs in here. All right, there you go.
What do I do now?
Open your mouth.
Does it taste like anything?
Swab in your cheek.
Does it taste like anything?
No, it's just a cotton swab. Get it all up in there. Cotton swab. Petri dish. And now I'm just going to smooth this all over this Petri dish. Get all this good juicy stuff all over it. Is it nice and wet? Did you get it all?
Yeah, it's nice and wet.
Okay. Now smooth it all in there.
Hard?
Mm-hmm. Well, not hard. Labeled mom.
Sorry, I'm singing. Oh, I think I cracked it.
Okay, I think that's good.
Why?
Because I think you've done a good job. Now, there you go. Put the lid back on.
Right there.
All right. There is our trash. These are set aside. Now we will get little brothers.
No.
All right. Thank you, Jenny. Good job.
Boo!
All right.
Why do you need that lab thing?
Because we're doing an experiment. We're going to see if human mouths are dirtier than dogs' mouths. So next we need to get Daisy dog. No. Can I do it? Of your cheek, not your tongue.
Hey, Dad. Alright, you gotta get it swabbed up in there.
I am trying to get it swabbed up in there.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
All right, now we're gonna spread that all over our Petri dish.
Dad's to be exact.
Mm-hmm. All right. And this is Daisy Dog.
Say hi,
Hi, Daisy. All right, Daisy.
Daisy.
You are the last one. We got to get your sample.
Open your mouth, Daisy.
Come on, open.
Open up.
All right, open up. Open up. Come on. Come on.
She's not gonna do it.
Come on, Daisy.
I can't watch.
You can't watch.
No, I'm gonna take this off, and I'm not gonna watch.
You got stinky breath.
Yeah.
You got stinky breath. Let me do it.
Tell me when it's over. I'm underneath the table if you want me to know.
All right, it's over. Okay. Why don't you grab Daisy so she can get out of here? I got the sample right here.
Good.
All right, take her out. Okay. That was okay. Sample. She has some stinky breath. So let's see if her culture comes out worse than ours.
If it does, then we were right.
Daisy Dog. Okay, so for us, it's going to be 7 days. For you, you just got to keep watching the video. We'll time hop for you. See you in a little bit.
Hello, this is day 7. Yay. Alright, we finally finished doing our stuff with our petri dishes. Our dad didn't really let us get a good sample, so
We're going to look at his first.
his isn't very well messy.
You want to tell me about this microscope?
So this is our new microscope. Yay!
Who got it for you?
My grandma.
All right, and did you get it for a Christmas present?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's put this under here.
Oh, he's got some. Do you see now?
Yeah, well, I saw it first, but
Okay.
all right, let's see. I can't see anything.
All right, let me look and see first, and then I will help you.
What? Do you see anything?
Nope, but also I put to take my glasses off too. I'm gonna see. All right, let's see this big spot and put it underneath it and see if we can't see it.
Yeah. That's gonna be kind of hard.
Okay. I'm not seeing anything with this. I know there's spots right here. Maybe we need a different color.
Can I see what you're seeing right now?
Sure, go ahead. Not much of anything, huh?
Yeah, it's just a big white.
Maybe we need to change up the color.
Not really.
All right, well, let's try the other magnifying glass that we have. What do you think about that?
Sure. I mean, after all, that makes it where they can see it.
Too. All right, well, let's do that.
Plug it in.
Oh,
Eh,
yeah. All right.
that's it. Alright, so here we are doing.
See those little tiny.
Yeah.
Those are like the ones on mine, right? They're kind of pearlescent.
Yeah.
Little like bubbles.
But he doesn't have too much.
Yeah, he's got less. That's true.
And yours are.
Yeah. What's this? Let's see if we can't get this red thing. I don't think we can get to it, can we? There it is.
There, that giant red thing. It looks giant on there. It's really small. It's mice.
I'd be
Actually, way
curious. It's really cool if we could figure out what it was actually, you know?
Yeah, probably just some sort of bacteria type.
All right, so that's Daddy's tray. Not a lot.
Because he didn't let us get a good sample.
Okay, so we might not have gotten the best sample with Daddy, but he's got a little bit of those white pearlescent things, and he's got that one orange red dot.
Should we do mine next?
Sure.
All right.
See? Grayson. All right, let's see. That's where you punctured your Petri agar when you were putting the sample in. Remember when you got it really hard?
Yeah, so it kind of cut.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go over to this big moldy thing. Oh yeah, that's pretty gross. Let's see if we can't focus in on it. What's a good focus for it? Do I
Focus.
need to go in or out?
Out is what's there. Yeah, that's the ideal look.
Yeah, and then let's see over to the
Go
side over
nothing.
here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that guy.
Ew.
Ew.
It's just gross. Go over to the other yucky stuff.
Okay.
On the
let's
other
see.
side.
All right, and we'll go over here. Oh yeah.
Ew.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's pretty gross, isn't it?
I had no idea my mouth cells look like that. And then it came out.
Well, your mouth is a warm, dark place. So it's kind of a breeding ground for bacteria. That's why it's important to brush your teeth twice a day.
Mm-hmm. Ew.
Yes, that's pretty gnarly looking. All right.
Let's take a look at Luke's.
All right, we'll take a look at Luke's.
We'll leave Daisy's for last because hers looks
Yes.
the grossest. So we were right about our
Well, let's
thing.
wait for our conclusion to the end, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a little
Yeah.
dot looking like thing there.
And then there's another
and there's
dot.
a little dot looking like thing
And then
here.
there's another giant white ball.
Oh yeah, it's gross.
I think Luke got some of his slobber.
Some of it's slobber. It looks just like the one on yours.
Yeah.
So you both have slobber? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah. Probably.
Those are both moldy too.
Yeah. But overall, not much on Luke's.
No, overall his is pretty clean. All right,
Yeah,
let's do Mom's.
Yeah. Yeah. And
Mom.
when you see Daisy's, it'll look way gross, like really gross.
All right, so lots of these little white pearlescent ones.
Grosser than all the other ones.
I'm just curious what these little white pearlescent ones are. And I wish that I knew if I need to be doing some kind of Listerine or something as well as brushing my teeth.
Yeah, there's thousands of them.
I think Dad and Luke and I all had some of these in here, but I had the most.
Yeah, and yours were the biggest.
So I'm not really sure. Maybe it's because I wear liners at night.
Yeah.
Maybe. Liners for my teeth to keep my teeth straight.
Yeah. Could be the case.
All right.
All right, let's look at the grossest. Well, the one we that looks the grossest.
Well, let me get
that is the grossest. There's Daisy.
Daisy. All right.
Let's get in there and look at the gross stuff. It's not very focused.
I'm trying to focus that. Hold on.
some yucky bacteria. You know, if you touch that, Mom, it's like touching Daisy's mouth.
I know.
The inside of it.
She's got all kinds of stuff. She's got the fuzzy ones like you and Luke had. She's also got some black dots in here, some yellow, like almost orange looking like dots.
And some really bright yellow ones.
Some fuzzy ones, some
like that one right there. It looks to be white, but in person it's yellow.
You know what it looks like to me?
What?
It looks kind of like a lily pad.
Yeah, I can see how you think that.
All right.
Ugh. Another fuzzy one.
Yeah, lots of fuzzies.
Oh, that makes sense. She's a dog. She has hair all over her.
No, you think that these fuzzies are hair related? I don't think they're hair related.
Hey, she licks herself.
I know, but I think that this is related. I think these fuzzies are mold related.
You could be right.
But she definitely had a lot more going on and a lot more variety in hers than anybody else had.
And a lot more just yuck.
Yeah. So that's it under a microscope. We'll let you see them all not under a microscope so you can easily tell on camera which one had the most.
Yeah, because it was kind of obvious on camera.
Yes. So, are you ready to state our conclusion? Oh, okay. So
we've got them
this
all.
is Daisy's, not under a microscope. This is Grayson's, not under a microscope. This is Luke's, not under a microscope. This is
Mommy's,
mine, not under a microscope. And this is Dad's, not under a microscope, which you're going to not be able to see very much of anything on this camera. So our conclusion is that Daisy's was by far the most
yuckiest,
dirtiest mouth.
Yeah. So dogs really don't have clean stomachs. I don't know why anybody would think that.
I don't know either. I'm not really sure why it was a myth to begin with, because it would seem like they wouldn't have clean mouths, and then we proved that they don't have clean mouths. I mean, we just used. If you want to talk about the negatives of our experiment, what would you say?
Well, the negatives were we didn't get the best samples from Luke and Dad.
And we didn't get multiple dog samples, so that could be a problem. Maybe just our dog has a really dirty mouth.
Yeah. I mean, she does smell bad.
All right. Well, did you have fun?
Oh, yeah, that was fun.
Do you feel like you learned something?
Kind of. Yeah.
At the very least, you learned what a petri dish and agar is, right?
And I learned what our mouths look like.
Yeah, that
inside.
That is interesting, huh?
And kind of gross.
It is kind of gross. Makes you want to brush your teeth more, doesn't it? Or does it?
It makes me want to throw up.
Oh. Okay.
Well, that is the end of our episode. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and leave a like. And for now, bye!
Bye!
This is just my hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
That humans' mouths aren't as clean as dogs' mouths. Wait, no. I said that wrong.
We'll just say it again.
Alright, take all of them off and line them up together.
Alright, what's going on here?